Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to stop Roblox Studio from lagging. To begin, always close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. This frees up valuable system resources like memory and processor power, which Roblox Studio needs. Also, ensure your computer meets the recommended specifications, such as at least 1 GB of memory for Windows. Finally, keep your graphics drivers updated for optimal performance and stability. Next, let's dive into Roblox Studio settings. First, lower the graphics quality level to reduce the rendering load on your system. If you're on Windows, consider disabling optimizations for windowed games in your graphics settings, as this can sometimes cause stuttering. For deeper insights, use the micro profiler by pressing Ctrl plus F6. It helps pinpoint exactly what's slowing your game down, showing spikes or red bars during gameplay. Now, let's focus on your project's design. A common cause of lag is a high part count and excessive use of unions. Convert complex unions into optimized meshes whenever possible, as meshes offer better performance. Also, enable streaming enabled in your workspace settings. This loads map chunks dynamically, improving performance for large worlds. Finally, optimize your scripts by using efficient loops and running client-side logic locally, reducing server stress significantly. For advanced optimization, be mindful of lighting and effects. Minimize the number of lights and post-processing effects, especially the resource-intensive future lighting technology. For static, non-interactive meshes, set their collision fidelity to box to reduce physics calculations. Lastly, maintain your system by regularly clearing temporary files and emptying your recycle bin. These small steps can significantly improve overall system responsiveness and Roblox Studio's performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.